So attention everyone, thumbs inside, fingers on the top and hands by your side. Attention. Now, no one is going to move. Okay, let's start singing national anthem. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जया गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. चलो, now sit down everyone. Sit. Okay. Now kids, let's talk about the day and the date. So today the date is 16 October 2021. 16 October 2021 and the day is Saturday. And the day is Saturday. Okay, now tell me how many days are there in a week. Chaitya and Janvi, Kusmita, Mishti, switch on the camera. Now I'm going to remove you from the class without saying a thing. So there are 7 days in a week. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. And Sunday is the holiday. All right. Chalo, now tell me how many months are there in a year? How many months? There are 12 months in a year. Come on, say it together, then we'll start our activity. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. All right, bacho. Now get your book of wellness. Everyone, get your book of wellness and open page number 2525, body movements. Come on. Body movements. Movements मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by movements? Movements, हम कोई भी एक्टिविटी करते हैं, हम कुछ भी करते हैं हमारी बॉडी से, क्लैपिंग कर रहे हैं, राइटिंग कर रहे हैं, जंपिंग कर रहे हैं, जिसमें भी हमारी बॉडी मूव हो रही है, ठीक है, जिसमें हमारी बॉडी हिल रही है किसी भी वजह से, दैट इज नोन एज मूवमेंट. सो बॉडी मूवमेंट्स, देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ बॉडी मूवमेंट्स, एज जैसे मैंने अभी आप लोगों को कहा, राइटिंग, रनिंग, जंपिंग, जिसमें भी हमारी बॉडी एक्टिव हो रही है, बॉडी वर्क कर रही है, मूव कर रही है, हिल रही है, those are known as body movements. Yes, page number 25. All right, I am writing the book name and the page number in the chat box. Okay. Book of Wellness, page number 25. Now, so we are talking about body movements, everyone. So, जैसे अभी आपको मैम ने बताया, body movements are those which helps us our body to move, in which our body moves, जिसमें भी हमारी body move करती है, that is known as body movements. All right, चलो तो come on, stand up, we'll do all the body movements. So here it is shown because it is very important for the development of our body. All the movements, all the exercises, जैसे मैम आपको नहीं बताते थे कि exercises and yoga all makes us healthy and fit. है ना, क्योंकि उसमें हमारी बॉडी मूव होती है. सो द सेम थिंग इज हियर. ऑल राइट एवरीवन. नव्या, उदय, व्हाई आई हैव टू टेक एवरीवन्स नेम? अगर मैं कह रही हूँ कि स्टैंड अप एवरीवन, तो यू ऑल आर इंक्लूडेड इन एवरीवन. Why to ask everyone to stand by their name? Dhruv, Gravel, Chaitya, Divit, stand up. Stand up everyone. हाँ. Mishti. Yes. So the first movement is, look at your book. The first movement is hopping. What do you mean by hopping? Hopping means ऐसे हॉप करना. करो, come on, hop. We do the body movement shown in our book. Hop, hop, hop. Come on, hop, hop like a monkey, hop like a frog. Come on, hop, 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 hop. Harshit, stand up, hop. Okay, now the next body movement is stretching. Stretching करना मतलब होता है to stretch our body parts. Yes. So stretch our body parts. Come on. Now this one. Stretch करना मतलब होता है tightly अपने हाथ को या hands को या अपने पैर को stretch करना. No means hopping and jumping is one of the same kind. Hopping and jumping. So stretch करना मतलब हमारे body part को खींचना. Stretch करना, किसी भी तरह से आप stretch कर सकते हो. Do like this, stretch. Yes. Then stretch. Come on. आपके body parts को आपको खींचना है, stretch करना है. Yeah. Come on. Again. Stretch. Tightly अपने हाथ को खींचो. Stretch. Now again. Stretch. अच्छा. Now do one thing. अपने hands ऊपर करो. Raise your hands. आप अपनी body को ऊपर उठाओ. Stretch करो. ऊपर की तरफ. Yeah, this will make you tall. Stretch करो. Tightly अपनी body को ऊपर की तरफ खींचो. Stretch. Yeah, very good. So this is known as stretching. Stretching. ठीक है? Now the next one is skipping. Skipping. Skip करना मतलब किसी भी चीज पे से उछलना. Skip. Come on. Skipping. Skipping rope आती है ना? Can you see that? आपने कभी देखी? Have you ever seen that? Skipping rope मतलब किसी भी चीज पे से उछकना, jump करना. Skip. Come on. Skip. 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 अच्छा. Now next one. The next one is very interesting. Balancing. Balancing. What do you mean by balancing? अपने आप को balance करना. So everyone, come on, do one thing. Keep your any book on your head. आपके head पे रखो ऐसे. Come on. ऐसे रखो. कोई भी छोटी book you can keep. Small book you can keep. Now try to balance. ऐसे हाथ stretch कर कर अब उसे balance करने की कोशिश करो. Come on. Try to balance. Yay! Very good. So this is known as balancing. किस तरह से आप उसे balance कर रहे हो? Come on. Try, try, try. I'll also try. चलो. We'll try together. Try कि आपकी book गिरे ना. And stretch करो आपके हाथ. Stretch करो. देखते हैं कौन कितनी देर तक balance करता है. Try, 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 try everyone. Balance it. Balance, balance. Very good. अभी भी कुछ लोग बैलेंस करने को ट्राई कर रहे हैं. ओ चलो अगेन देखते हैं हाउ मेनी टाइम कौन सबसे लास्ट तक के बैलेंस करता है. कम ऑन. बैलेंस 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 बैलेंस. हर्षित. ये रिशेल, सक्षम, ईशानी. ये so this is balancing. To balance ourselves. To balance ourselves. चलो we'll do one more thing for balancing. You have to act like a tree. ठीक है? अब अपना जो left leg है उसको धीरे से उठाकर अपने knees पर करो. One leg से balance करने की कोशिश करो. Come on. Fold your one leg. Fold your one leg. Books को नीचे रख दो. Keep your books aside. Now try to balance your body. ऑन वन लेग, आपका एक लेग आप ऊपर करो एंड ट्राई टू बैलेंस, कम ऑन, ये ट्राई 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 प्रज्वल, कम ऑन एवरीवन ट्राई, ऐसे स्ट्रेच करो, स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स, नाउ ट्राई टू बैलेंस योर बॉडी. So this is known as balancing. Do not take the help of wall. Saksham, yes, try to balance. Try to balance on one leg. Harshit, fold your one leg. Navya, come on. Try to balance your body. Yeah, on one leg. Vihan, fold your one leg. बेटा वॉल से आगे आओ. Yes, आगे आ जाओ वॉल से. Yeah, very good, very nice. So these are some of kind of body movements. Balancing, it's very important to balance. Yeah, well done. Now walking तो we can do. Walk हम हमेशा walk करते हैं. That is also one of a kind of body movement, क्योंकि इसमें हमारी body move हो रही है. This will make our body move, है ना? Our legs are moving, our hands are moving while walking. Come on, कर देखो. Pretend to walk. है ना, हमारे हाथ भी हिलते हैं, हमारे हैंड्स में मूवमेंट होती है, एंड आवर लेग्स आल्सो मूव. सो दिस इज आल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ बॉडी मूवमेंट. एंड द लास्ट वन इज रनिंग. नाउ रन, कम ऑन, रन 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 रन, फास्ट 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 फास्ट. उदय, ये विहान, look, okay, so these all are body movements which makes our different parts of the body move. ठीक है, this will make, बस बच्चों बस, this will make our body active, energetic, fit. Understood? So all kind of body movements are very important. अच्छा, तो आप daily you have to do any of the body movement, any 2 body movements. ठीक है, या तो आप लोग सुबह उठ कर स्ट्रेचिंग कर सकते हो लाइक दिस, जैसे मैम ने आपको बताया, अपने आप को ऊपर की तरफ खींचो, ये स्ट्रेचिंग कर सकते हो आप. ठीक है, बैलेंसिंग कर सकते हो, एनी ऑफ द बॉडी मूवमेंट यू कैन चूज. ऑल राइट, सो नाउ टर्न योर पेज, कम टू पेज नंबर 2626. Okay, and write down date on the left corner of the page. Open page number 2626 and write down the date on the left corner of the page. Okay, so here, as you can see, different body movements are given, pictures of different body movements are given. Okay, so we have to complete the words. Some missing letters are given, so we have to complete the words. Okay, so the first one is what he is doing, what the boy is doing. He is throwing a ball. He is throwing a ball, मतलब वो बॉल को फेंक रहा है, throw. Okay, so we have to complete the word. All right, so you all know throw. So which diagram makes the sound of th? सोचो, कौन से 2 लेटर्स मिलकर था बनते? टी वहां लिखा हुआ है, टी इज ऑलरेडी रिटन देयर. अब टी के बाद क्या आएगा वहां पर? टी, देन एच. अच्छा, कैपिटल इज देयर, तो यू कैन राइट कैपिटल एच. ठीक है, देन आर ओ डब्ल्यू, थ्रो. द मीनिंग ऑफ थ्रो इज फेंकना. थ्रो का मतलब होता है फेंकना, टू थ्रो समथिंग. ऑल राइट, सो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ बॉडी मूवमेंट ना, इसमें हमारा हाथ हिल रहा है, मूव हो रहा है, सो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ बॉडी मूवमेंट, थ्रो. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज, इफ वन इज थ्रोइंग, सो दूसरा क्या करेगा? कैच करेगा उसे. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई थ्रो अ बॉल, अगर मैं आपकी तरफ बॉल फेंक रही हूँ, थ्रो कर रही हूँ, तो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू? यू आर गोइंग टू कैच इट. ऐसे ही होता है ना, कोई अगर हमारी तरफ बॉल फेंकता है या कोई भी चीज फेंकता है, तो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू? वी आर गोइंग टू कैच इट, है ना? सो द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज कैच. सो C A, catch. T C H, ch, catch. CH. If one is throwing something on us, so we have to catch it. So the next body movement is catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. Done? Chalo. Now see the next picture. What is this? You all know that. What is this? What she is doing? She is kicking the ball. Kick कर रही है वो. Kick. मतलब किसी चीज को मारना, पैर से मारना, किक करना. ओके, किक. सो K I C K, kick. To kick something, किसी चीज को पैर से किक करना, मारना. All right. Now the next one is what he is doing. He is bouncing the ball. Ball को ऊपर नीचे करना. That is bounce. ठीक है, bounce. So B O U N C E, bounce. Look everyone, आपको मैंने बताया था ना earlier कि C अगर C के साथ E लगता है तो C का साउंड सा हो जाता है. हम यहाँ पर बाउंक नहीं बोलेंगे. We are not going to say बाउंक, है ना? We are going to say bounce. Why C का साउंड यहाँ पर सा है? Because उसके साथ E है. That's why. All right, this I had explained in one of our class. Bounce. B-O-U-N-C, bounce. And the last one is, what he is doing? He is jumping. Jump. 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 J U M P. Jump. Jump. All right. So these are some kinds of body movements. As I told you earlier, it is written here. Look, do at least one of these activities every day to stay fit. इनमें से कोई भी एक या दो activities आपको daily करनी है to stay fit and active. And it's very important nowadays because we are staying at home most of the time, है ना? तो हमें physical activities की need है to stay fit. So you have to do any of the activities, any one or two activities daily. Whether you do jumping, whether you do running, catching, throwing, anything, playing, physical activities are very, very, very important. All right. Written everyone? Yes. So kids, in your art and craft skill book, you have to open page number 18, 1818. Here you have to make flowers. Chalo. So let's make flowers. All right. So one is already made here, completed here. Okay. So we have to make the last one first. हम सबसे पहले ये last वाला flower बनाएंगे. ठीक है? So what you have to do? Look. Make a oval here. आप इधर से एक बड़ा सा oval बनाओ. Make a oval here. Come on. Make an oval. I think I have to make it more big. मैं थोड़ा बड़ा बनाती हूँ so that it became easy for you to make, है ना? Wait. All right. चलो. So first of all you have to make one oval. आपने oval बनाया. Then you have to make one triangle here, kind of. Look, like this. इस तरह से आपको petals बनानी है in the form of triangle. One slanting line and sleeping line. यहाँ पर भी ऐसे ही करना है. One slanting line and sleeping line. Ishani, what are you doing? Why you are not drawing? Come on. And make one more petal like kind of this kind of. Look. Okay. One slanting line and sleeping line. You have to make this kind of petals. Slanting line, sleeping line. And यहाँ पर at the end of the oval आपको यहाँ पर leaves बनानी है two. I'll show you here also by making big one. Look, you have to make an oval, then slanting line and sleeping line. Again slanting line and sleeping line. In this way you have to make two petals. And यहाँ पर आपको leaves बनानी है. Like this. ठीक है? This kind of flower you have to make. All right? Now, let's make the another flower. So, make a circle. एक circle बनाओ. Make a circle. ठीक है? Now, you have to make petals like this. Come on. Now, make one more petals here. Like this. You can make the flowers of your choice also. Okay. I had just shown you how to make the flowers. अगर आप दूसरी तरह के flowers भी बनाना चाहते हो, if you want to make different kinds of flowers, so you can make. It's just an idea. ठीक है? If you want, you can make this kind of flowers as well. Two slanting lines and curve. Then two slanting lines and curve. Like this also you can make. There are so many kinds of different flowers. Okay, so it's up to you. After making the flowers, you have to color it. Color the flowers of your choice.